Once we do the sprint planning, we will start the iteration execution. Iteration execution essentially means pulling the stories that what we committed for the sprint as a team, start implementing those stories. As part of the iteration execution, we do a ceremony or a meeting called daily stand-up. We come in front of the board, Scrum board or iteration board or sprint board we call it, and collaborate among ourselves as team members. That's what is the daily stand-up about. Also during the iteration we execute implementation of individual stories. These stories that are finished are also validated, inspected by the business people, product owner essentially. They probably can accept each of these story then and there as and when each story is done. In Scrum we call it daily Scrum. Daily stand-up is a synonym word which we use in Agile. As part of the daily Scrum, the team meets ideally in front of the Scrum board. As you know, on the Scrum board, they can see all the work that they are doing. The user stories, usually the yellow stickies, will be on the Scrum board. Daily Scrum is for the team. It provides us an opportunity to inspect and adapt. Daily stand-up helps team renew their commitments to one another and share the progress of the work to others. Daily stand-up has to happen in the same place, same time, every working day. It's an opportunity of inspect and adapt in nature. That means we can check ourselves as a team, are we on track? Daily stand-up is a time-boxed period of time, usually 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever the team has decided as part of their working agreements. It's a team's meeting. Teams mean development team and the Scrum team, that includes the product owner and Scrum master. Of course, others are welcome for the daily stand-up, but they should not be participating and talking. There are 3 questions that each of the member on the team, dev team, each of the members answers these 3 questions. What did I do since last stand-up in order for us to meet the sprint goal that what we committed? What am I going to do until next stand-up in order for us to meet our sprint goal? What are the impediments or the bottlenecks or the blockers that I am facing that should be addressed in order for us to meet our sprint goal that what we committed? These 3 questions, when answered, the team should be able to substantially make progress. The team can also use the burn-down chart. Burn-down chart is a chart that shows the remaining amount of work at any point of time. Usually on the y-axis of the burn-down, we would have the story points. On the x-axis, you have the number of days in the sprint, and the team keeps burning down their work. Sprint burn-down chart, like any other information radiator that's in the team work environment, it is a team's property and is owned and updated by the development team members.